me, Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. As y'all can see, today we were giving the girls body wave. This is crimped hair, or like waved hair. I use this bedhead wave artist, but I brushed it out a little bit, and you guys always ask me why, and that's just the look that I prefer. I do prefer mine to be like brushed out like this, so that's why I do that. The only thing that you guys didn't see me do is put this foaming spray throughout my hair a little bit on both sides, and then like some oil. So yeah, so this video will be in two parts. I'm going to show you guys how I color the hair in this video, and then the next part will be how I put the wig on and just watching me crimp it a little bit. Just a little bit about this hair. Like I said, it is from DSoar hair. This is what their packaging looks like. They sent me their body wave hair, and if I'm not mistaken, I got a 20, 20, 22, 22, and 18-inch closure. So I put all 4 bundles on this wig, and it is full. It's like the perfect density in my opinion. I'm really happy with the hair. As you guys can see, even after I colored it, bleached it and colored it, it still looks amazing. It moves, it's not stiff. I literally have 0 complaints. Everything turned out good. I constructed this wig on my own. I used a spandex dome cap, or it's like a mesh dome cap, and I just sewed the bundles on, I sewed the closure on. I bleached the notch on the closure, and I plucked this closure as well, the best that I could, and I put it on the best that I could. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I colored this hair, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get right into this color. Believe it or not, I did not have like a vision for this wig. I just knew what hair color I wanted to deposit onto the hair. So this is just me bleaching it in random spots. I started with the front 2 pieces, and then I'm gonna go ahead to like the back and the underneath. And then eventually I'm just gonna start putting bleach on my comb and combing it through, as you guys will see. And that's all that I did. That's the method that I used. The products that I used to bleach are a 40 volume developer, and I also used the Clairol bleach, the white one. So yeah, that's what I used, and I only left this on for the amount of time that it took for me to put it on the hair. So with that being said, this clip was like 20 something minutes unedited, so that's how long the bleach was on my hair, starting from the very front piece. So once I put the last bleach on the last piece of hair, I rinsed the wig off, if you guys get what I'm saying. So less than 30 minutes this was on the entire head total. Okay, y'all, so for the dye, I'm just using the DNA Essence hair color in brown sugar. And I did end up using one whole one and then a little bit of one that I had left over from a previous video, and that was enough for me. I put it all over the hair, as you guys can see, and then I rinsed it off basically right after I put it on. So I didn't let it sit for that long, which I don't know why I didn't. But if you guys keep watching, you'll see the wig was getting kind of dark. So I kind of got a little bit scared. I don't know why, but I got scared that it was turning brown, but it didn't. It lined back up, and it turned out to be a beautiful brown sugar color. So if you guys want to see the finished result, then just keep watching. Okay guys, that is all for this video. Please don't forget to watch part 2, which is going to be me putting the wig on and then like how I crimp it and everything. And then yeah, that's about it. Be sure to check out DSoar hair down below. I'll leave all the links as always. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.